divided by, I am bringing this 6.105 is equal to 8. Just this comes to this side, denominator. So 20 lakh divided by 6.105.
3 lakh 27.
A is equal to 3 lakh
27
595. ₹27,600 approximately, round figure. Every year, in this particular example, if you consider the final answer, every year if you deposit ₹3,27,600 in a bank, okay, which gives a return of 10% for a period of 5 years, you can comfortably take back your 20 lakhs rupees at the end of 5 years. That is a logic. Here we have calculated annually. How much I have to save? I want 20 lakh after 5 years. And I know interest rate which I am getting, where I am investing. As interest rate changes, this also changes. Same one now. Next problem also similar, you can try. Look at the 8th problem.
It's false. It's not.
Next one we can try. 5th one you can try. The finance company, no, not 4th one. How much should Vijay save each year if he wishes to purchase a flat? Expected cost to be 80 lakh after 8 years if the investment option available to him rate of 9%.
So 5th one.
Yes, that is slightly different. There it is. What interest rate R is asked.
R is 9%, sir. R is given.
No, he is asking the next problem. And 4th problem, same question, exactly the same. When is the exam dates are expected?
November 2nd.
November or December first week. November end.
November end. We
For
are
the 6
expecting
weeks.
15 months.
How to substitute? Solve this one.
Fourth one also.
Fifth one.
Fourth problem is same exact. Fifth
11.0.
problem is see.
11.0.
0 to 85. 11.0 to 85, fourth one.
Fourth one. Huh?
Fourth one is almost like 7 lakh, 7 lakh 25,000.
What you have calculated? Fourth one.
Sir, fifth one we are
Fourth
done.
one.
Oh, fifth one you are trying. Huh?
Now fifth one we should do, sir.
Fourth one is 7,25,426.
Component factor we have to.
Okay.
11.
Okay.
11.0.
Yeah,
Table
table
one.
one.
Okay. Look at the fifth problem. A finance company advertises that it will pay a lump sum of rupees, 1 lakh
1 lakh.
at the end of 5 years to investors who deposit annually rupees 12,000. What interest rate is implicit in this offer? So normally when you receive, most of the calls from financial institutions, okay, they have this kind of data. They will say they don't reveal all the information. What interest rate they will pay, what is the time duration. Okay, they will have some key, numbers which will attract the investors or maybe the people who are receiving the call. Okay, so it is your responsibility when you receive such kind of, and if you are, planning at least to think of those kind of options, before that you have to do your analysis whether this is, normally what happens if you go to especially any purchase of two-wheeler or four-wheeler, okay, you go and ask, maybe you can try any time, just to go and ask any vehicle and you tell them that I want to go for loan, okay, and they ask first question how much you are ready to give as down payment. Suppose if the vehicle cost is 1 lakh and if you say that you are giving 25,000, remaining amount they will calculate and they will give you, and they also ask how many years you want, 2 years or 3 years, right? And they give you an EMI. They have their own calculation. They also do a similar concept only, but you cannot understand the way in which they are doing. And they say some EMI is some 6,500 something, and if you say, oh no sir, EMI is too much, I don't want. Okay, what they do? They will reduce the EMI by increasing the number of years. Instead of 3 years, they will make 4 years. And there one hidden point, you have to check with them whether they are giving flat interest rate or based on the reduced balance. Most of these private finance companies or even sometimes private banks, they give you a flat rate of interest. Okay, they will say, sir, we are giving you 8% flat. Getting 8% flat rate of interest and from reducing balance 14-16% interest, both are same. Because if you take 1 lakh rupees loan, okay, every year or every month you repay, right, some amount. Your principal amount will be repaid to the loan. Okay, even at the last month, you still have to pay the interest rate of 8% flat on the amount which you have borrowed. That is the logic which as an individual will not understand. As a layman, okay, for him this logic is not applicable. What is the difference between flat interest rate and reduced balance interest rate? See, as and when you repay the principal amount, that much amount interest calculation should be reduced, right? Okay, this year, say out of 1 lakh rupees, you have repaid 20,000 rupees. Next year onwards, your interest rate should be calculated based on 80,000 rupees. But they don't do. Okay. Whenever I go there, I go and sit with the calculator only. You tell me how much is the interest rate you are giving. They say 9%. If you calculate using 9%, what value they are giving and what I am getting totally mismatch. Because they calculate using flat, I calculate using reduced balance. And when I ask more question, they get stuck because only that much information only it is given from their managers. They have given the programming in such a way that okay, if somebody comes and asks loan, you ask them how much loan you want, how much they are ready to pay down payment, how many tenures you want. You give them EMI. If they feel EMI is more, increase the number of months. That's all. Because interest rate they cannot change. Interest rate they only have that information. Okay, in a fraction of seconds they will do the calculation. Because all through the day they do the only same job. Keep on pressing calculator. Okay, within fraction of second they will give the answer. But they will not reveal how these calculations are done. Okay, so if you do from your end, this is what the value. Okay, and then they will go to their managers. This is what the calculation. And it depends. Okay, then they have to explain what is the actual thing here. Hidden is especially in private finances this particular concept. See, in this case, finance company advertises it is giving the lump sum amount of 1 lakh rupees at the end of 5 years to investors who deposit annually 12,000 rupees. Right. So in this example again, same annuity of future value is 1 lakh.
Average 12,000.
Every year annuity is
12,000.
12,000. 1 plus r to the power 5 minus 1 divided by
Average.
right? 1 lakh divided by 12,000. This I am bringing 1 lakh divided by 12,000 is equal to 1 plus r. I can even take this r to this side.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so r is equal to 1 plus r to the power 5 minus 1. So 1 lakh divided by r
8 points.
divided by, or if you are using the table values, this table value again it is rate of interest is unknown. So trial and error method only you have to do. 1 lakh divided by 12,000. It is 8.33. This is 8.33 r. I am taking this 1 minus 1 to this side becomes plus 1 is equal to 1 plus r to the power 5. (8.33r) plus 1 is equal to 1 plus r to the power 5. Okay. Here it is when you are calculating this value, you have to go for trial and error method. You cannot get directly R value. Okay. Assuming probably you would have heard about IRR, internal rate of return concept. Okay. Assuming you need 2 interest rate. Okay. 2 interest rate. One should give above 1 lakh, another should give below 1 lakh. That means your R rate is in between. 8 point. This particular 1 lakh. That's how it is. We are calculating in a case that is interpolation or concept using IRR. IRR formula is positive NPV divided by positive NPV plus negative NPV into this difference in rate DR. Difference in rate. Very simple in this case. Same equation. Okay. Apply R rate here itself. Keeping or you can even keep this calculation also, or this calculation on a basis of trial and error. Take some 10% start with. Again, there is no base, so how will you take 10%? Just trial and error. Take 10%, see that are you getting less than 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh? If the value is less than 1 lakh, Okay, then change R value because we have to identify any two R values. See the answer which is given here it is 25.75. Here it is given fine. You know now it is the answer is in the range of 25 to 26 or 27%. What if the answer is not known? You have to start with 10%. Okay, definitely it is the value is less than 1 lakh. Increase the percentage from 10 to 15 only. 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Unless you reach the value, two interest rate, select any two interest rate in such a way that one should give less than 1 lakh, another should give more than 1 lakh. Exactly, and the difference should not be more than 1%. Preferably. 1 or 2 is fine. But see now you are taking 10%, right? Now if you don't want to calculate further why to do, you take 50%. Definitely you get more than 1 lakh. But the difference is, take the value of PVIF value in your table value. 5%, 5 years 10%. What is the value?
6.1051. 6.1051.
Multiply with 12,000. Just by taking 1 by 1 rate 10%, you have directly 12,000 you are given. You are 12,000 into when you have a table value, it is simple. In this case especially, just this table value calculate. Keep on changing. Okay, 12,000.
73,000, sir.
At 10%, right? Huh?
73.
Increase it to 15%. See the 15% into 12,000. Increase it to 20,000. 20% 5 years.
7.44.
Into 12.
89,000.
89,000. Still it is less. 25.
25.
So there is no answer to tell value after that.
Only 20%. 20%.
Okay. Because there is a drawback. It is there. But in this table they have given up to. Okay. That's what. Drawback is when you think of some real life problems, then you have a drawback. Okay. In reality, you cannot stop, right? You have to continue with this problem. You need a solution. What if company is offering 1 lakh rupees and they are asking me to pay every year 12,000 rupees? Is it worth? Okay. If it is 25%, fine. I agree because I am happy to get 25% return. The same 12,000 rupees if I invest in a bank, which gives me 8% or 9%. So it is not worth. If this offer and if the institution is genuine, valid, registered, then you can wait. If somebody calls from unknown source, okay, and they are giving 25%, thinking of 25%, you will lose 100%. Your entire capital will be gone. So you have to see whether that none of the banks, either private or nationalized banks, will call and give this offer. Definitely, this particular offer. No banks will offer this type of plans. No registered banks or listed, working under RBI, whether it is a cooperative bank or nationalized bank. If at all if they are only the cheating type of institutions who will give initially and they will run away with the huge capital.
If you calculate the FAR is 10%, the FAR is
25% and 26%.
That's the answer.
25% you will get exactly less than 1 lakh rupees, very close to 1 lakh. At 26% you will get more than 1 lakh. Say, example, let's give you, say you get 99,900 at 25%, example. And at 1 lakh you say 1 lakh 400. Now, positive NPV is 400 over and above 1 lakh. So your calculation for 1 lakh? 100. So positive NPV is 400 plus negative NPV is 100. Difference in rate is 1. Higher the difference margin if you take, the error is high. You will not get an accurate value. So you will get accurate value if the difference in rate is 1% or 2% in some cases. Otherwise, if as I told, take 10% and take 60%, 50%. Anyhow, definitely more than 1 lakh rupees. But what you get the answer in this case and other case? No, this is just assumed number for your understanding that how to work in the formula.
The quantity is higher, right, sir?
Huh?
The quantity is higher.
Same problem with rule of 69, 70, 69 is given.
How is doubling here? 69.
That is the problem of 69, rule 69 and rule 72. That is simple calculation. As I was saying, here capital doesn't make any difference. Whether it is 20,000, 2 lakhs or 20 lakhs. Just look at the 15th problem. 15th.
Yes.
What is the present value of income stream which provides rupees 25,000 at the end of year 1, rupees 30,000 at the end of years 2 and 3, and rupees 40,000 during each of the years 4 to 8 if the discount rate is 50%. Got the problem, right?
Sir, through it.
Yes, sir.
Of the year through it.
Hmm?
Sir, one side is bit confusing. 40,000 during the age of the year 4.
Through 8, means from 4 to 8 years, we will get a 40,000. There is given a slot with the cash inflow. Okay. What is the present value of an income stream which provides if somebody calls you and gives this offer? Okay. See that we will pay you first year 25,000 and next year, second and third year we pay you 30,000 and from fourth year onwards we pay you 40,000. And they will ask you to deposit some amount. And you should know whether that amount is worth depositing.
So, fifth question.
Fifth or 15th?
Fifth question. At the rate of 25.75 rate of interest for 5 years, if you pay annually 12,000 rupees, it will become 1 lakh rupees. It mean right?
25 point? Yes. At the rate of 25.75.
For every year 12,000 rupees we deposited for 5 years, it will become 1 lakh rupees. If you apply that rate of interest for that formula, that 1 lakh rupee will not come.
Which one?
For this one, fifth one.
You will get 1 lakh, but
No, it will not come. That amount will use difference. Can you check it out?
I can directly apply 1.025.
No, in table only I will tell you the value.
There is no value.
Around 47 something is there.
No, wait, forget about table. I'll come back to this calculation only. 2575, 0.025, no, 0.2575, 1.2575, 1 plus r to the power 5 minus 1 divided by r, right? This is 12,000. So now 1.25 to the power 1.2575 to the power 5. This comes 3.144 minus 1 divided by 0.2575. So minus 1 divided by 0.2575. 8.3278. 8.3278. Right.
Multiply with 12%.
See, here in table it's showing that 47.721.
99,933. Because of error, what I am telling, okay, because we approximate, right? It is 20.25.75. Further, some more 2, 3 digits or 4 digits. When you are bringing a minor error will be there, so that error is.
So my question is that in table is showing at the rate of 5.
Probably you are seeing the wrong table. You see.
You not mention 25 rate of interest, right, in table.
Yeah, in this table,
It is not 20% rate.
So you get 99,933. 99,933. You can even, that's what, when you are going much more accurate, slightly increase of 25.75, you take 25.85. Slightly you may even get more than. Okay. So whichever is convenient, that's what it is left to individual again. See, we know, we come to know what is the approximate interest rate which is prevailing for this particular offer. Accordingly, we have to take a call. Logically, I am talking about whether to decide whether this plan is suitable, worth taking or not acceptable. Straight away you can say, okay, this is what the I am getting. If somebody calls me tomorrow and asks this plan, okay, blindly I'll accept. Okay, fine, because I am getting 25.75. They may not even mention, provided if the genuine known source of institutions. Okay, so quickly write, finish the last problem 15 more, slightly is different. Okay. It is, look at the present value, it is the annuity of present value concept here. APE, IFE. PV, IFE.